FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Ninjutsu Sora version 2 in pink. I think, probably pink. Box is pink. We're going to find out. It's a little pull tab. It's better. It's smarter than me. No, it is a pull tab. Okay. Just had the nightmare experience with unboxing the ULX competition. Had some weird sticky stuff on it. Back, wash my hands. Holy moly. That's why it's on its side. I haven't washed the bottom of it yet. It's like, oh, fuck. Watch that video. That's a wild one. Okay. Back to the Sora. Let's do this. It looks prettier. Yeah. If I have that, kind of like that little display. Interesting little sleeve. It's a weird texture. Sora. I have yet to play with a Sora, so this will be an interesting experience for me. I like this color. Ooh, that's nice. I don't know if I like the hump positioning. Oh man, those are quiet. Like they feel okay. They sound like they're muddy. Like it's tricking my brain into thinking that they're muddy. Ooh, that's some weird. Ooh, that's not great stepping on that. Okay. Continuing on. Make sure not to get anything touching the bottom of that final mouse. Oh my god. What the fuck was that shit? Boy. I hope they watch that video, by the way. Give me words. Ooh, that's cool. Wow, that's neat. There's their dongle. It's got the PCB showing. Cool. Okay. Me like. Yes. Okay. That's a cord. I might actually use that cord. That's a good looking cord. All right, you guys want to watch me fail at putting skates on?
Yes, FragWatch, we'd love to watch you fail at putting skates on again, especially the ring sensor skate, you lunatic. You okay? All right, guys, I'll do it. I think I'm gonna leave that out. I like that. I like it. Okay. All this stuff back in the boxes. Okay, that stuff. All right, let's watch. Good old FragWatch. They got like air holes for it. It's weird. Oh man, that's sharp. I have to sand that. That's actually kind of okay. Well, let's fail at this. Yeah. Okay. You guys can make fun of me in the comments. Be gentle. Don't hurt my feelings. Okay, so this, oh man, okay. Oh my god, did I get it? Oh my god, I got it. Did I finally do one straight? Oh, look at that. Oh, it's fucking so crooked. God, just a little bit. It's like less than half a millimeter crooked off, man. Okay, well, we're gonna do the rest of these skates. Do you guys, in the comments, do you guys enjoy having to apply the skates yourself? I think after that last unboxing, Final Mouse might start doing that on their own, or having people apply their own skates. After the factory sent me one with a bunch of hair underneath it. Oh my god. And grease. That was just so weird. Okay.
Almost done. This is an enthralling experience, I know. You guys are like, I love it when FragWatch puts skates on the mice. I'm like, hey, calm down, weirdo. Like, oh, put the skate on the mouse, FragWatch. I'm like, all right, I will. Give me a sec. Give me a second. Give me the loop. Give me the loop. All right. Get that out back a little. Oh, that feels good. Good. Okay, that is the unboxing of the Sora V2 in pink with the skates put on. Little skate application. Cool dongle. I like that. Okay, let's rock and roll. Thanks for watching. FragWatch out. Yeah.